Hi, everybody. Welcome to Module 13, Week 13. This is a big week. You have your leadership presentations due this week. The topic is servant leadership. So we've got Chapter 9 in your textbook, a TED Talk, and then the assignment for your leadership presentation. So the due date for the leadership presentation is next Sunday at midnight. But also be sure you post feedback on at least 2 other presentations besides posting your own. So you submit the leadership analysis presentation here for a grade. So basically you're going to submit your file 2 times. Once for me to look at for a grade, and here is the rubric. It's available to you all. Then you post your leadership presentation for peer comments. Submit your presentation to the discussion thread prior to the midnight on the 18th. So I'll just look at everything on the 18th, or on the 21st, sorry, next Sunday. The quiz, 20 questions, is also due next Sunday. So that's all we've got for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to learning about the leaders from your presentation.